We got the jerk chicken, little rice, little plantain, little cabbage. All right, let's go straight in. Some rice. Got different taste to it. Very spicy. Let's get that shit. Got some jerk chicken. That motherfucker. Alright, man. Have it. Anything? 9 out of 10. Oh my gosh.